It's just that you got to hit it just right. You got to have just the right line. We came down it, but I'm talking about coming back up here. Because see, if you look right here, you're see, right, look at the side over here, though.
Go. You know how when you hit it, your foot automatically comes off the gas?
Stay in the gas, Heather.
Dan, smile.
I'm in your way, sorry.
Sorry.
I got the good camera. You want me to take some good pictures? Honey, why don't you go get the camera? Well, maybe not.
That looks not happening today.
I said, well, maybe not.